Yeah, after I finished this long-term study, it's almost 2 years during the pandemic, I opened a company. So we are doing colorful gemstone business right now. Sometimes I worked in Sri Lanka and I have totally no knowledge about gemstones. And after the pandemic, I went to Sri Lanka and I went to the gemstone market and I found I know all of them.
Well, I've just finished my studies, so I'm enjoying my very first Gem-A conference. Because I studied distance learning, I'm really enjoying immersing myself in the community and getting to meet other gemologists today.
The gemological qualifications that Gem-A offers are, I think, recognised as amongst the best in the world. The most stringent and the hardest. It's a big step, but it's worth it.
Gem-A courses give me a very good foundation on gemology. I have found a very good school in Hong Kong named AGIL, and they provide a full range of Gem-A courses. Gem-A courses is practical, so that I can share my knowledge of gemology to my friends and who are interested in gemstone as well.
It felt like just very professional. It felt like it would bring together two things I was missing at the time. I wanted to do something and really learn about these things I loved. So when I found basically the curriculum that Gem-A would take me through, I was like, bingo, brilliant. I will really get to know what these things are, what they're made of, how to recognize them, and how to and just learn. Luckily now there is Gem Intro, which is brilliant because it literally does what it says on that tin, which is it gives you a great introduction to gems. Start with Gem Intro and then you can move on to foundation and diploma.
Well, I got my job, which I'm currently working as a diamond buyer, through Gem-A. When the company approached me and they find out that I was studying Gem-A, they offered me the job. But they knew how hard and difficult it is to pass. So they let me study, finish everything, and I started in July last year. So I graduated and got a job straight away. If you want to really expand your career and really progress, you need this. And for me, when clients see my name on the offer diamonds and DGA, it's professional, it's credibility, so it's very important to me.
It's been a fantastic conference for 2023. We've had some amazing international speakers who have spoke to our audience. 262 people joined us, top scientists, retail jewelers, marketing, miners, and I think our audience got a real flavour of the opportunities that are out there for their careers. Many students come to visit us, might be their first time at a conference, and the value of our conference is learning from the greats, but also the interactions with each other. So people can talk together, they join the Gem-A family, they do liaisons, and I think it's just great for everyone moving forward.